In this video, I'll show you how to program a simple color effect in EOS. We'll start by creating a few color palettes. Open the Color tab and select all the fixture types you want to use for this effect. Now record a palette for each color you want included. In this example, I'm creating a red color palette as palette 1 and a blue palette as palette 2. Go into the color palettes by double-pressing Color Palette and click on the By Type soft key. This ensures the color be used for any fixture of this type. Next, open the Effects tab by double-pressing the Effect key. To create a new effect, type Effect 1 and press Enter. For the effect type, choose Absolute. This opens a table where we can add the individual actions that make up the effect. For Action 1, select Level and assign Color Palette 1. For Action 2, select Level again and assign Color Palette 2. If you need more colors, you can keep adding actions using the Action soft key. Once that's set up, return to Live, select your channels, and start the effect by typing Effect 1 Enter. And there it is. Your color effect is now running. You can change how the effect looks using offset. Options like mirror in, mirror out, or random channels can completely transform the pattern. To stop the effect, simply select your channels and press Effect Enter. Inside the Effects menu, you can adjust hold time and fade time to fine-tune the movement. The trail changes the timing of the actions. A trail of 20% and a hold time of 0.1 seconds in the first step and a fade of 1 second in the next step can create a ramp-style effect. You can also change the overall effect speed directly in Live by typing Effect and adjusting the rate. And that's all you need to create a simple color effect in EOS. If this video was helpful, please consider liking the video to support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.